welcome back to Baking in Style. So since tomorrow's Easter, we're going to be making Peep-shaped sugar cookies with royal icing. So this is really fun and it just looks really cool. So first what you'll need will be butter at room temperature, flour, granulated sugar, an egg, baking powder, and vanilla extract. I'll put all the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. So first, with an electric mixer, we're going to beat together our butter and sugar. The dough gets really hard, so I'm doing it in an electric mixer and not using a hand mixer like I usually do. Now add in your egg and vanilla extract. Okay, so that looks good, and now we're going to whisk together our flour and baking powder. Okay, now we're going to add in the flour mixture 1 cup at a time. So I'm going to do this by like half cup because it'll just make it easier. So just put in 1 cup at a time, mix a cup at a time, and once you're down to your last cup of flour, you want to incorporate it, but mix it together with a wooden spoon. Okay, so now that that's done, let's just take some flour and just sprinkle some onto the counter. And let's grab our rolling pin. Okay, so I found a rolling pin. Now let's just flour the surface. Get the baking sheets ready, but I'll be right back. I did that, and I also found a better rolling pin. And I floured that. Now, so mine's gluten-free, so it's gonna be a bit more crumbly than if it were like made with regular flour. So you want to just but that's okay. So you want to just separate this into 2 balls, like dough balls. So separate it in half. Let's see. Okay, now you just want to roll this out till it's about like maybe this thick, because it's gonna like rise a little bit in the oven, but not too much. And I'm just gonna use this a little bit of flour there. And then, so it's about this size. And I'm just gonna get as much as I can. Okay, so now you're going to put one sheet in the oven for 6 to 7 minutes. I'm going to start with 6 because they're so small. And they're like breaking a lot, but I think it's fine. Okay, and now you just want to do that to the rest of your day. Okay, so now these just finished. Let's see how they look. I think those need another minute. They're still, like, they're not brown just yet. Okay, I'll see you guys when that is all done. Okay, 1 more minute is good. They're starting to brown up more, and they still bake because you should take cookies out while they're slightly. I'll see you guys in a few minutes so we can make the royal icing. Okay, so now it's time for the royal icing. So far I have, right here I have 5 tablespoons of water, 4 tablespoons of water, 3 cups of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of meringue powder. So you just want to combine all of your ingredients just into a large bowl, and I'm using the electric mixer. And I'm starting with 4 tablespoons of water, but I'm probably going to need to add more because I don't want a thick consistency. I want a nice thin consistency so it's nice and smooth. So I'm just going to start until this forms peaks and see if the consistency is right. Okay, this is the perfect consistency. So you just want to do a check and take some on a spatula or whatever's dripping off of the mixer. And once it drips, count to 10 and see how long it takes for it just to incorporate and look like it never drips. So you just want to go, let's see. Okay, that's perfect. This is the perfect consistency. If you accidentally get it too thin, you can always add more powdered sugar. And if it's too thick, then just add more water. I think I might add a little bit more powdered sugar because it's getting kind of light. Because it's just a little bit thin. Let's see, 1, 2, 6. Yeah, we want it to take 10 seconds, not 6 like I'm getting right now. So I'm just going to eyeball it and add a little more. I think that's good. Let's see. Wow, that's dripping a lot. This is good because it can get to nice, thin, like smooth, perfect looking. Really quick, but not too fast that it's like, whoa, this is really thin. 10, this is perfect. So I've always seen like the royal icing like videos and they're doing it and it's like the most perfect thing ever and I'm like, I want to do that. So today we're trying that out and seeing if I can do that. This royal icing tastes amazing. Okay. Now I'm going to really quickly go grab the food color and piping bags. Okay, so here I'm going to use I'm going to color these now. I'm going to use like a purplish blue, like a dark blue for the eyes. And I'm adding dark purple, blue, and green together to make like a really dark purple, almost black. So now let's see. So I have this. I'm using 4 colors here. So oh, I need more here. I will be right back, and I'm going to fill these with royal icing. So I'll be right back.
Happy Easter! You ready to carve some jack-o'-lanterns? No, that's not it. Now I got it! Happy Easter! Wait, no. That's not it either! Happy Easter! I got it this time. Have some Peeps with Peep sugar cookies. Who knew? Time for the money to come hop in.
Okay, so now it's time to decorate. So I'm super excited to see how these look. So let's see. I'm gonna start off with the blue because why not? Let's get a nice good one. So that's right now. Actually, I'm gonna adjust the camera so you can see that. I'll be right back. Okay, so that seems like a better view. Now, let's see. Let's get a toothpick really quick. Okay, I'm gonna grab a few just to make it easier. So I think these are gonna turn out really good. Oh, I need to do a lot less of this because, well, this first one isn't gonna be the best, but that's okay. That's the first time that I've tried it like this, so that's totally okay. It's totally fine because we still have lots more to do, and so it's okay. Let's just do the eyes because I don't think, no, look, I don't think really Peeps have so that's cute. Oh, let's make the eye a little bigger. are all done. They look amazing. Like, I'm really surprised with how they turned out. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!